बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अल मजीद एकेडमी। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे लाहौर बोर्ड के फर्स्ट ईयर के फ़िज़िक्स के सब्जेक्टिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव दोनों पेपर्स के बारे में। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें ताकि आने वाली जितनी भी न्यू वीडियोज़ हैं उनका नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली रिसीव होता जाए। सबसे पहले MCQ है, द डायरेक्शन इन विच लाइट एनर्जी इज़ कैरीड कॉल्ड आ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, अ पार्टिकल मूव्स इन अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस आर इन हाफ the period of revolution, its displacement and distance covered are. Question number 3 है, the horizontal range of projectile is. Question number 4 है, the frequency of heart of normal human beings is. Question number 5 है, a flywheel gains an angular speed of 540 revolution per minute in 9 seconds. Its angular acceleration is. Question number 6 है, the ratio of dimensions of torque to angular momentum is. Question number 7 है, potential energy associated with the molecules of an ideal gas is considered to be. Question number 8 है, a particle of 1 kg moving with initial velocity 5 meter per second is acting upon by a constant force 10 Newton. After 5 seconds its velocity becomes. Question number 9 है, dolphins detect small differences in the shape, size and thickness of object through. Question number 10 है, the percentage uncertainty, mass and radius of earth is 2%, 5% respectively. The total percentage uncertainty in the volume of the earth is. Question number 11 है, two simple harmonic motion having displacement r x1 and x2, the path difference between them will be. Question number 12 है, which of the vector cannot be represented on graph. Question number 13 है, the magnifying power of a magnifying glass is 3, its focal length will be, energy cannot flow away in the. Question number 15 है, the efficiency of diesel engine is. Question number 16 है, a mass is lifted to a height in 10 seconds. Now if the same mass is lifted to the same height in 20 seconds, then work done in two cases are in ratio. Question number 17 है, the magnitude of minus I dot k क्रॉस j is equal to. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास सब्जेक्टिव पार्ट। पहला शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है, राइट डाउन डायमेंशंस ऑफ प्रेशर एंड डेंसिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, डज आर डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस गिव एनी इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी दैट मे अपीयर इन एन अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, नेम टू मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ एरर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, राइट डाउन फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रीफिक्सेस एटो एंड टेट्रा। Question number 5 है, can magnitude of a vector have a negative value if a minus b is equal to o? What can you say about the components of two vectors? Can you add 0 to a null vector? Motion with constant velocity is special case of motion with constant acceleration. Is this statement true? Discuss. An object is thrown vertically upward. Discuss sign of acceleration due to gravity relative to velocity while the object is in air. How impulse is equal to change in momentum? Question number 9 है, and 11 है, an object has 1 joule of potential energy. Explain what does it mean. Prove that P is equal to FV where P, F and V are power, force and velocity. A wheel covers 200 meter distance between 2 points if its radius is 0.2 meter. Find the number of revolution completed by the wheel. Describe what should be the minimum velocity for a satellite to orbit close to the earth around it. State the direction of the following vectors in simple situations: angular momentum and angular velocity. When mud flies off the tire of a moving bicycle, in what direction does it fly? Explain. A person is standing near a fast moving train. Is there any danger that he will fall towards it? Explain the working of a carburetor of a motor car using Bernoulli's principle. Time period of a simple pendulum is 2.0 seconds and amplitude is 20 centimeter. Find its maximum speed. What are the conditions of a constructive and destructive interference of two sound waves from coherent sources? Can we realize an ideal simple pendulum? What is the total distance traveled by an object moving with SHM in a time equal to its period if its amplitude is a? Explain the terms crust and denote. Why does sound travel faster in solids than in gases? नेक्स्ट है थर्ड सेक्शन शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन। तो उससे पहला सवाल है, which principle is helpful to determine the shape and location of new wavefront? Explain briefly. Explain whether the Young's experiment is an experiment for studying interference or diffraction effects of light. What are different methods to get polarized light? What is multimode step index fiber? Explain in short. Draw the ray diagram of compound microscope. Draw in short Describe in short the construction and working of collimator. What will be the efficiency of an engine if it performs 100 joule of work and rejects 400 joule of heat and ejects 400 joule of heat energy to the cold reservoir? Why the efficiency of a real heat engine always less than 1? Give an example of a process in which no heat is transferred to or from the system but temperature of the system changes. Next, in long question, find resultant of A and B using addition of vector by rectangular components. A football is thrown upward at an angle of 30 degree with respect to horizontal. To throw a 40-meter pass, what must be the initial speed of the ball? 6 का A part है. How would you describe the analytical approach of formula of absolute potential energy? Also derive the formula with diagrammatic explanation. 6 का B part है. The frequency of the note emitted by a stressed string is 300 Hz. What will be the frequency of this note when the tension is increased by 1/3 without changing the length of the wire? Define angular momentum and explain orbital and spin angular momentum. A block of mass 4 kg is dropped from height of 0.8 meter onto a spring constant K is equal to 1960 Newton per meter. Find the maximum distance through which the spring will be compressed. Question number 8 का A part है. Define pressure of gas. Prove that pressure exerted by the gas is directly proportional to the average translational kinetic energy of the gas molecule. How large must a heating duct be if air moving along it can replenish the air in a room of 300 meter cube volume every 15 minutes? Assume the air's density remains constant. Explain Young's double slit experiment to study the phenomena of interference of light. An astronomical telescope having magnifying power of 5 consists of two thin lenses 24 cm apart. Find the focal length of the lenses. तो इसके साथ ही लाहौर बोर्ड का सब्जेक्टिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट कंप्लीट होता है. अगर आपकी कोई भी क्यूरी है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.